Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad at bootstrapbizgrowth.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build the most simple type of sales funnel, which is a lead magnet sales funnel. And a lead magnet sales funnel's entire goal is to get people to join your email list so that you can remarket to them and eventually turn them into paying customers. So this is the first sales funnel that most people will build, and it's going to be a really effective one, and it's a great starting point. If you are confused by what a sales funnel even is, I would encourage you to go down to the description below this. I have a link to another video where I describe what sales funnels are and why businesses need them. So watch that video first before you get to this one. If you already know what a sales funnel is, but you need to build your first one, you want to learn how to build a sales funnel, this is the video for you, because I'm actually going to walk you through the process of building that lead magnet sales funnel. So I'm going to pull up my screen right here, and this is what a lead magnet funnel looks like. It is super simple. First, we have the opt-in page. So this is the first page of the funnel. This is called the lead magnet page, or the opt-in page. And the goal here is to get people to enter in their email address. So what you're going to do here is offer something that they want, something enticing, that lead magnet or that bait. And this is something that you're offering them in return for their email address. So this could be a checklist, this could be an ebook, this could be a list of must-have tools. There's lots of different things that your lead magnet could be. The key here is you just want to make sure that it is super enticing to your ideal customer. That's the goal. Because if you have something that is super enticing to them, they're going to want it, and they're going to be happy to provide their email to you in return for whatever that lead magnet is. And when you get their email address, they're on your email list. And again, now you can remarket to them and eventually turn them into paying customers. So that's what the opt-in page does. That's its primary goal. It has a headline at the top. You'll see that there's no navigation, so there's no logo up here typically. There's no navigation links. There's an image or a video right here that maybe explains the lead magnet or shows a picture of it. And then it's just a simple call to action where they can either type in their email address to get the lead magnet, or they can exit out of the page and leave. Two things that they can do, nothing else. There's no other links on this page. So that's what an opt-in page looks like. Once they enter in their email address, they're taken to this thank you page, where maybe you have a follow-up video that explains the lead magnet more in depth and how they can use it and what steps they need to take after the fact. And this is a great page where you want to just say, thanks for opting in. We really appreciate you joining our community. Check your email for whatever lead magnet it is, and then you want to send them via an automation email the lead magnet, and then you want to start dripping follow-up emails to them, also automated, so that you can start to build that trust, engage with them, show them that you're an expert, and start leading them down that path to becoming a paying customer. So they opt in, they're added to your email automation, and simultaneously they are sent to your thank you page. That's how simple this sales funnel is, but it's going to be a great way to start building your email list and to get people in the door and to get potential customers to start engaging with you and your company. So now that we know what this funnel looks like, I want to show you how to actually build this funnel in ClickFunnels. And if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, it is by far the best sales funnel software out there. You can go in and create these sales funnels. You can do really simple ones like this, or much more complex ones. It's all drag and drop. You don't need any computer coding skills. You don't need any advanced technology skills. Anybody can come in here and build a really great sales funnel that gets results. So that's why I love this one. I'll have a link down below. You can try ClickFunnels out for free for I think 14 days. I'll have a link to that. And then they also provide you with starter sales funnels so that you don't even need to build yourself. You can just go in and edit the content and match it up with whatever it is you're offering. So this is another really great way to get started. I'll have links to all those sales funnels that they give away for free, again, down below in the description. For now, though, I want to hop into my ClickFunnels account and show you how to build this lead magnet funnel. So here I am in ClickFunnels. This is the main dashboard. I'm going to click Add New up here. And there's two options here. So you can do a cookbook builder process. So they show you what different funnels are and kind of help you get started, or you can just build your own from scratch. I'm going to do the cookbook just because it's kind of cool and it kind of explains what each funnel is. And so I want to show you what this looks like and show you how easy it is to get started with different funnels. So these are all the different ones in here. I'm going to come over here and click generate leads because that's what we're doing. We're trying to get people on our email list. And I want their contact info. And so right here we have the lead magnet funnel. That's what we want. So I'm going to click select funnel. Now we have Russell Brunson here, the founder of ClickFunnels, and he's going to explain what this funnel is, how it works, and what it does, what it's best for. And you can watch that video. It's a minute or two. And you can also read about it here. And then down here they have some templates that you can use. So if we want to just preview one, we can. Let's preview this one and see what this looks like. So you can kind of see what the lead page looks like here. There's some information, headline, picture of the lead magnet, and a place for them to opt in. And then here's what the thank you page looks like. So you can see that it's a pretty simple funnel. That's actually a little bit more complex than I like. I don't like too much information on my opt-in page. I just want it really simple. A headline, a call to action, and an opt-in form. That's it. So I'm going to do a blank funnel. So I'm going to build it from scratch. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do get funnel. And now it's just kind of building out the funnel framework for me. I don't have to do any of this at all. It does it all on its own, all automatic. And should just take a second here to pull up into my sales funnel area. All right, so here is this blank lead magnet. So that's the name of this funnel right now. And the first thing we want to do is build out that opt-in page. So this is the opt-in page. This is the thank you page here. And so we'll have to build out each of these. But the good news is it's really simple. So first let's do that lead magnet. And what we do here is we select a template. So they have all these email opt-in templates here. And these are really great. You can figure out which one you like best. I really like doing a simple one. So something like this where it's just a headline and an opt-in form as you see there. Well, we can preview it here and I'll pull it up. So we got the headline, quick call to action, and then a spot for people to enter in their email address and hit submit to get the lead magnet or whatever it is I'm offering. I also really like ones where I have a video on there. So something like this, where I can be on screen creating a video telling people what the lead magnet is all about, how it helps them, and just educating them a little bit. So this is one that I also really like. You just embed the video right here. I'm going to do the simple one though for this purpose. So we'll do select template from that first one that I showed you. Okay, and now that pulls that template into my account, and I just click edit page. And this is going to bring up the ClickFunnels editor. And like I said, this is all going to be drag and drop. So all I do is I hover over something that I want to edit. So you can see the orange box around this. I'm going to left click on it, and now I can just start typing. So let's just, we'll just do the number one trick for building an email list. Okay, so that's the headline. You want this to be super enticing. You want it to make the viewer really want whatever you're offering. So maybe we'll say, get our top converting list building sales funnel. We'd want to work on this. That's not a very great headline or call to action, but I just want to kind of show you how this works more so than getting into sales copy here. And then, actually, you know what? I'm going to make this even more clear. I'm going to say, enter your email. And receive. Okay, so that's just a little bit more clear about what we want them to do. Now, this is going to automatically be tied in with your email system. So you want to integrate this form with your email system. So I use ActiveCampaign to manage my email list, to send out emails, and I want to integrate that with ClickFunnels. I'm not going to get into that right now, but I'll tell you that it is super simple, and we'll have future videos about that. If you're trying to do this right now before these other videos come out, I would recommend just doing a quick Google search or a search on YouTube. There are plenty of how-to videos that show you how to connect ClickFunnels with whatever email system that you're using. It'll just take a couple minutes. It's really simple, not terribly complicated in terms of needing to be tech savvy to do this. So that's what that looks like. Then this button here submits this page. So if you want to edit this button, you can come in here and you can change the text on the button. So get the sales funnel, we'll say. Okay. You can add subtext if you want. So it'll just be tiny text right down below. Enter your email. Who knows? Once all this looks good, you hit save. It's going to have you fill out the SEO information. This isn't terribly important, but it'll just make you fill it out. So we'll just say list building, and we'll type in, we'll put in an image. We can click an image here to add that in, and we can just upload a new image from our computer or pick one that's already on there. So I'll just do this one. Okay, and we can write a description about what it is we're offering. This is just really for the search engines. That's about it. Once it all looks good, you come back up here and hit save again, and this is built. So we're going to hit up here, we're going to hit back. This is going to take us back into here so that we can work on our thank you page. And so what I really like in a thank you page is I like a video. And so I'm going to do this template here because I know that I really like this one. I'm going to hit edit page again. And the goal here is just to thank the person for signing up, welcome them in, tell them what to expect next. So these could be what to expect next. You want to go to your email to get your lead magnet. We've just sent that to your email, so let them know that that's going to be delivered to their inbox and to go check it. And then tell them to go open it up and read it. And then you want to tell them what to expect next. Okay, and then here's an image. This doesn't do much for me, so I'm going to delete that. And instead, I'm going to click this little plus icon, add a one column box, and I'm going to add a new element. Click right there, and I want to add in a video. So I'm going to click video. Oops, you have to drag it actually. Drag that in right there. And now I could have a video where I go even further and explain the lead magnet, explain those next steps that we need them to take, explain how all these things are going to help them and transform their business or their lives. So I really like this part because the person gets to see me on camera. They get to see that I'm a real person that's trying to help them. And this goes a long ways towards building that trust early on. And trust means that somebody is going to be more likely to buy from you. And that's what we want. That's the whole point of these sales funnels, is to build that trust and get them to know, trust, and like you so that they eventually buy from you, right? So with this video, we would come up here, click settings, and we would do a YouTube link most likely, and you would just copy paste your YouTube link right into here, and the video would be embedded into your thank you page. So that is super simple. We can come up here too and add in a logo if we wanted. So we'll see it. Here's my logo. So we'll just add that in just to show you what that looks like. Can't really see it there, so I'm going to change this background color to white. That is looking better. And maybe I'm going to make this logo a little bit bigger. I can do that right here. So maybe that's 400 pixels wide. Now we are looking pretty good. Maybe I want to come down here and just add in my business name. Again, you see there's no links on these pages because you don't want to take people off of your sales funnel. You want them to complete it and move on through the sales funnel according to how you have it set up. So that's just something to keep in mind and to notice here, which is very important. It's a very important part of sales funnels compared to websites where they can freely navigate a sales funnel. You are controlling how they interact with your business, and that's what makes it so effective for getting new customers in the door. So I'm all set here. This is looking good. I'm going to hit save. It's going to ask me to fill this out again. I'm going to go through and fill all this out. I won't do it now. Just to save time. You don't need to see me filling that out. This all looks good, so I'm going to hit exit. And now we can come up here and we have the link. So let's see what they look like. We'll just copy this link. And you can customize these links. That's again getting a little bit more advanced, but we'll show you how to do that in future videos, or you can Google it or do a YouTube search. It is possible to do custom links though. This will just be a ClickFunnels link. So it's my website, clickfunnels.com/lead magnet, which works perfectly fine. And here's my opt-in page. So if I type in my email address, I hit get the sales funnel. Now I would be added to that email list, and I'm directed right to this thank you page where I have that video, the next steps, and you move them through the sales funnel process and get them on your email list, which is the #1 goal with any sales funnel. That's the first step we want to do. I hope this helps you. I hope this shows you how simple it is to get a sales funnel built, to start building your email list. Again, there's much more complicated sales funnels where you have one-time offers and all different types of things that are going to further engage your customers and get more sales. And we'll talk about that in the future, but for now, this is how you build the most simple type of sales funnel. It's a really effective one, and it is going to help you grow your business. So go out, give it a shot. In the description down below, I'm going to link to a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels if you want to go in there, play around with it, and see how easy it is for yourself. I'll also link to a few different sales funnels that will help you get started. These are maybe more complex sales funnels if you're trying to do bigger things than just build an email opt-in. So those can be a great place to get started as well. Check out the description down below for those links. They should be pretty helpful for you. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, if you want to learn more about sales funnels or affordable marketing tactics that actually work, or outsourcing and freeing up time to build your business, and productivity tips, we talk about all of that and much more. Our primary focus is teaching entrepreneurs how to grow their business on a budget. So that's what all of our videos are about. They're very educational. They will give you real actionable steps to grow your business on that budget. So I hope you subscribe. Keep an eye out for future videos. We'll have new videos every single day. So check back in often. And lastly, I want to just thank you for stopping by. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, I hope it was valuable, and we'll see you next time.